Terry, what are you doing to our new Sawstop?
I'm doing what every red-blooded woman from Fallbrook does. She tears it apart first to make sure you know where all the parts are before they
What does it look like in there?
break, and you have to replace them with a new blade from Sawstop.
Ooh, what is it?
Ooh.
What does it look like? Hey, put it in the sun.
It's electronic.
Ooh.
Cool.
And now is it going to work?
Well, sure.
Okay. We haven't got it put together. I got to find some help to get lifted. Ugh.
Does that look like it'll rip your finger off?
Oh man, that thing is
awesome. 40 teeth carbide tipped blade.
Oh, always safety first. Okay.
Okay.
This is how you put one of those things back together.
Okay.
That sickle, you got a sickle in there? Oh, Hazard just had a bath.
Isn't he clean?
Good boy.
He's beautiful.
I don't know how we're going to pick this doggone thing up.
This is the thing that tears up your blade and makes it costs you $60, isn't it?
No,
isn't this thing?
It's a kind of like a wood splitter.
Are you sure this isn't the thing that goes in?
No, that thing you got in your hand.
But I thought this jumps up and stops it.
It's a kickback safety feature.
Oh.
We probably want to.
I
don't know.
How could it be a safety feature when it looks like it's going to cut your arm off?
I don't know what we're going to do about getting that thing on its feet when we get the feet put back together.
Okay, I'm going to put that in there, and that in there, and that goes somewhere. Oh, crap.
It probably goes only one way in that little hole.
I've got it in the head.
Walk it back and forth. Don't cut yourself with that carbine.
Are you sure that's not the thing that goes down in there and stops the blade?
Yeah, that's the thing that helps prevent kickback into your tummy. Of course, standing away from the middle of it helps too. What else you got? Put this thing back together where you found it.
Yeah, this is the last piece, I think. And it goes over that, but you have to put the blade back down because we had to raise it to 0.
Ooh, look at that. Okay, what's that plug it doing over there? Okay.
Maybe we can just cut your lip off with our new Sawstop.
Yeah, it save. It won't. It'd stop as soon as I put my lip on it. Take a picture of my lip. There you go. I have a. What do I have?
Squamous.
I have a squamous on my lippus.
Squamous cell
And soon
carcinoma.
I won't be able to do that. It'll look like this. And you know the worst thing is? They told me I have to cut my mustache off.
That sucks.
I don't know if I can do it.
I don't know if we're going to be able to do that.
One thing, my mustache, we've been kind of attached for a couple of years.
Just a few.
Okay.
Okay.
I have a quamus on my lippus.
Bye, lip.
Bye!
You don't have that squared up and tightened up yet. What you been doing?
On the bolts. You started it. Why didn't you finish it?
I did all the hard stuff. I opened up the dangerous plastic packaging.
Why didn't you get a ratchet instead of the stupid wrench?
Wow.
Turn the air conditioner on. Yeah.
Hi, Hazard. He's all clean. He's all tuckered out because he had a bath. Now that we got the base put together and the saws connected, how are we going to get that 200 pounds up off there?
Well, I don't know. But I think I'm going to figure something out without scratching my brand new Sawstop. I got to get it up higher. And I just wonder if this might be a useful tool here.
Styrofoam?
Just hang on, I got a plan.
Styrofoam is your plan?
What?
Styrofoam is your plan?
Maybe. I might have to get something smaller. Hey, that worked out okay.
Except
Now I'm up higher.
it's upside down.
Now I'm up higher so I don't have to get it off of the ground. Now I'm going to need some help though.
Okay. Uno momento.
I think I left you a little lip right there. Ah!
Holy cow.
Woo! Woo! That's a good thing because I don't have any friends to go ask to help this stuff. Whoa. Dude. And that's how you use... Well, now I gotta get my wheels on here. I can't move it. That's how you get a Sawstop up before you put the 50-pound motor on it.
Thank goodness we're getting mobile wheels tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm done for today.
Yay. That means I am.
Woo-hoo. Oh, yes. Hey, Terry, are you almost got that thing put together?
Yeah. Almost. I have better clothes on today.
What are you working on today?
Some heavy-duty cast iron wings.
Ooh.
Because wings
Wings.
are better.
Yes, cast iron. Wings. Right here, 36-inch rails. I didn't know it was going to be 36 inches on each side. Look at this thing, Terry. No wonder why I can't pick it up. Hey, things. Yeah, we have another box with the bolts in it. In the back of that thing. Our new T-foul glide. My knife. The last time I sharpened it.
Too much plastic.
Last time I sharpened it, I gave myself a owie. Yeah. Another color-coded instruction. Woohoo!
And a screwdriver!
Ah!
Oh, that's not a screwdriver. What's that?
I don't know, but this thing's getting to be a monster.
What's that? What's that? It's an antenna.
Ooh. Got a little walnut thing on it going on.
More grease.
Yeah, there's grease everywhere. cord. Things weighs like 400 pounds.
What is this?
This is the thing.
Hey, that's got stuff in it.
Yeah. What'd you do with my knife?
I set it down.
Be careful because that thing's so sharp that it should be registered as a lethal weapon.
I'm cutting too much hard plastic. It's not sharp anymore.
That's what my teeth like.
This magnifying glass is on.
Well, that'll help. Okay, put that together when your spare time. Put that together.
I didn't even know what it does. There's wood.
It rides up. Well, how do you make it go? Plug it in. Read the instructions. Got instructions, something about it. Quick, quick. Make it go.
I'm not going to read the book, are you?
Well, something about turning the key on. I don't know how. Maybe we should read the book. Flip the main switch on.
Blind out here.
Wait until the green light is on. Green light's on. Pull the paddle to push the stop. Push the
Pull it out. Do you have to pull the stop thing out?
pull out. Push pedal to stop. Okay. If you're finished using the saw, flip it into main. What the hell? When's the key go on? If you're finished, well, I have no idea how to make it go.
Pull to start.
Alright, pulled. To run bypass mode.
Bypass what? Safety?
I don't know. Run start now. Flip the main switch, power on.
Is the other end of the extension cord plugged in?
Wait till that flap's green. You got a solid green. Oh. Well, that was fun.